Right, all right. Let's get the show on the road. The show on the road, on the road. Uh-huh. Today we're gonna work on the waifus. We're gonna do some waifu development. We're gonna do what we love. We're gonna play some Eat, Rage, Sleep, and expect error occur. You sons of a bitch. Let's refresh. Create a safe mode on. Very nice. Very cool. But I need to refresh. Come on. Come on. Do something. Okay. Turn it on. Go. Yeah. Yes, sir. I think we can afford to turn it up just a little bit. Let's do 5%. Oh shit, this is kind of a banger though. Let's turn it up just a little bit more. Yeah. Okay, what happened to my camera? Deactivate, activate. There we go. My camera keeps freezing on me. I wonder what's going on. I don't know. Find out. I'm gonna do something. Okay, sounds good. We got some time. Let me see. Yeah, okay. Sounds like a plan to me. Sounds like a plan, oh plan. Oh plan, oh plan. Then, let's try to get the waifu animated. There's one thing I wanted to do also as a sanity check. Let's do, what is this? Blink. Let me search for blink in here. Blink. Blink. Download. Huh, something happened with my keyboard hotkey stuff. Let me fix that. Update available. I'm gonna have to do this, right? That didn't work? No? Didn't work? What the? Usually that works. Off. And no. Okay, let's do keyboard manager. Oh snaps! My mouse, my keyboard is just. There seems to be a lot wrong with my keyboard right now. Okay, and I can't type M. Oh man, I can't type M either. Okay, should I just deactivate? I can't unplug this keyboard very easily. Um, so I'll keep the music playing. And I keyboard. Oh, I didn't mean to re-download it. Okay, let's just re-download it, and then have it imported into here. Did my also my webcam keeps freezing on me, so I'm gonna plug my webcam into a different USB port. I'm gonna unplug it real quick. I'm gonna use a different USB port because this one is stuffing me up. Let's try this out. Hope my keyboard's long enough. Probably better if I plug this behind the computer. Do I really want to go behind the computer right now? Move into the green screen. Okay, there we go. Now my stuff's working. Creator dashboards. Okay. Okay, cool. So I think we're in business again. Now, what I wanted to do was get Mina working. Let's put this on. We need to play like, mood so we can have the music come in. Animation type. Okay. Humanoid? Okay, cool. So, what I need to do is add Mina to the characters in my character list. So, let's go ahead and do that real quick. Remember units.json? I might just replace a dark mage actually. Also, the import card script kind of deletes the database at the same time, which I don't know if I want to do that. Okay, we're gonna have to pre-roll. Let's play an ad real quick. Just bear with me. The pre-roll timers are off now, so we gotta do that. Alright. But if you are still here, basically going to add Mina to the deck of possible units you can use, because I just made a new character in Unity, and she looks like this. I don't know how I feel about the weapon yet. It's super textured. Might be overly textured. But here's Mina, she's a wizard. And to add her to the game, I have to put her in the database. But one thing that's bugging me is whenever I change the database, the save decks get deleted, so I think that makes sense. That's because I'm dropping everything. Is this clearing the tables? For statement and truncate statements. Yeah. Truncate table. More actions. Change dialect to let's do Postgres. Okay. Truncate table a thing? What does truncate table do in Postgres? Or what does the truncate keyword do? I don't know. What does the truncate keyword do in PSQL? Does that just delete every row in the column? Table, I mean? Remove all rows from a table. Interesting. Okay. But yeah, that makes sense why I'm losing my saved deck, but whatever. Another way to deal with that would be to only have things additively. But, you know, we're still in testing, so let's just forget about that for now. And then we have a Dark Mage. I think I'm going to rename this I might just set this to Mina. And then forget about the Dark Mage stuff. Because I don't even know if I'm going to use the Dark Mage. The sprite's kind of ass, and okay, let's make a new spot. Is this the wrong area? Unit name. Let's do. Her name's Mina. Unit 5. Description. Let's see. Come up with name, description. A basic magic user. Health 20. And then cards. Fireball, basic movement card. Sounds good. Okay. Give her fireball. Sounds like a plan. Fireball and basic movement. Card number 1. Yeah. Move to an adjacent position. Okay. Okay, that sounds good. Let's see what else we can do. Expected. I don't know how to do JSON. Is that what it's telling me? Expected. Got. Oh, I forgot. Opening bracket. And then. Okay. Reformat. Won't auto reformat for me? Come on. Let's get an auto reformat going. No auto. Okay, I'm just gonna play an ad real quick. Oh, I can't even do that. Just kidding. Guys are lucky this time. Okay. Code refactor, code reformat, code. I wonder why it didn't work with my keyboard shortcut. Hold up, let me go back. Alt Shift F. Isn't that what the hotkey is? Oh, hold up. The wrong keyboard shortcut. I got it. Okay. It's different keyboards messing me up. All right. Looks like a quick disconnect and reconnect happening. Okay. Guess we just disconnected real quick. I gotta go into model. We're gonna do Python import cards. Oh, sheesh. No module. Where Python? I got 2 of them. That's annoying. It's gotta be the first one. Let me see a Python version. And the one, my folder, is version I have Python right here. It looks like it's 312, which is that one. Let me look at my Python packages. I have it here. But I think it's using the wrong Python. So I gotta change this. How do I change this? Python interpreter. Oh, we have the venv. Oh shit. Okay. In that case, I'm going to do a configuration here. We do have a configuration. Okay. So what I gotta do is actually just run this. Okay, cool. Nice. That makes things a little bit easier, actually. Makes things a little bit easier. Okay. My bitrate's kind of having trouble. Struggling. Okay. See if my stream's any laggy at all. Okay, that should do it actually. So now if we play the game, we should be able to play with Mina. Well, okay, we gotta do something for it. One more thing. This is Mina, by the way. Oh yeah, I still wanted to import this. Art, blink, import. And okay. Did it work? Can I refresh? I don't see it. Okay, hold up. Let me look up over here. Assets, import, library, brink. Oh wow, I didn't expect it to do that. Art. Art stylized weapon. Weapons, low poly, RPG weapon. Okay, so all it did was modify all of these. So I wonder what happened. Okay, I'm just going to re-imported the weapons from Blink. Let's just leave it at that. And then go to the deck builder scene. Deck builder. Yeah. Okay. Then play it, but what I need to add is a little icon for Mina into the deck builder. A little sprite. So let me see how I can do that. Let's just go to the waifu. Let's go to Mina. Let's drop her into here. And then what I gotta do, I believe, is go to unit camera preview. Here's the camera. Okay. And I wish I could have her like in a not T pose. I wonder if I can do this at runtime. Otherwise, this might work at runtime. You know what? We should just try it at runtime. Okay. When Unity is running, because recently I've only been doing this. Because when the game starts, then her arm should drop down. It's just all characters are in this T pose. At first. Okay. But I gotta set up this camera. She needs to be rotated around. Swapped around. Wait, how much is that? 180? Okay, not that way. This way. 180. Yeah, go back to camera. Okay, we're getting there. She's at 000, so I should just move the camera a little bit like this. Okay. And then let's go ahead and play. Oh snap, she turned around. Oh no, she didn't. Okay. Okay, let's go to the render texture saver. Add the render texture. Is she not moving? Alright, what happened? Our animator isn't animating? Well, how come? Let me see. Jump to state? Nope. Okay. What? Come on, do something. I'm gonna replay. I want to see what's going on. Okay, that's interesting. So then I'm gonna go to my other scene. And I'm gonna play this one. This one, I'm pretty sure the animation's working, so I just need to figure out, make sure that the model itself is not broken. Okay, there we go. The model looks fine, yeah. So then, something's wrong with the other scene. Go back to deck builder. I wonder what's causing the animation to freeze. Huh. Might have to do with the cooling? Ooh. Yeah, I have no idea. But maybe this is fine. Let me think about this. Camera unit preview. Alright, I'm not gonna dwell too long on it. I'm not sure why the animation froze, but I'll just ask ChatGPT real quick as a stab in the. Why does my animation freeze in one scene but the other in Unity? While that does stuff, I am just going to take a picture with the unit camera preview. This thing's really nice because I can just save a text, a PNG file of any object in here, and I'm gonna use this as a thumbnail for the deck builder. So let's find that project, arcane shift, assets, images, unit sprites. Yup. Do this. Alright. And now that we got that, we got to fix the card master. Oh, snaps. I need to add Mina. Okay. I have to adjust deck.proto. So I have to add a new character here. We have Mina equals 5. What's wrong with this? Take Firebolt Dictionary? Okay. I think that's all I gotta do. Add Mina. We're not adding any new cards, so let's just compile the proto buffs with a Python protalk.py doing all. So that should give us a Mina option and the unit prefab dictionary. We also gonna add the sprite. It's compiling. I got strawberry milk. You know we're getting serious. Okay, let's go ahead and add Mina. Find her prefab. Type in Mina. Abomination? Oh, I got Mina. And then let's add a sprite. Mina. Oh. Inside the project. Images, unit sprites. Oh. Oh. I don't like that. Here we go. She's kind of like leaning sideways. I wonder if I can fix that. Nothing? Oh. That means I have to go here, change this to 2D sprite, apply. That makes the background transparent. And go back. Card master. There she is. Okay. And now we play the game. We should be able to see Mina. I'm just gonna remove this. And go ahead and play that, and then go ahead and hey, thanks for the Nani, Billion. How's it going? Hello, good sir. You've been invited to join the King Knight's duel tournament. Be sure to bring your strongest horse and strongest weapons. Oh man, I've been invited? I didn't think I would get invited to that one. Let's go ahead and go to the login screen. Script scenes, login. Let's see if we can add Mina to our deck. I just added a new character into the game, and she's like way cuter than the other characters I have. Biggest honor of the kingdom? Ooh. Join. No, let's go back. Let's go deck builder. Okay, cool. We got Mina, and she's over here chilling. You add her in. Wow, she kind of gets like thicker when she gets moved over here. She gets a bit thicker. We might need to fix that. Okay. Let me see why that's happening. How's it going, Billion? How you doing? What's this tournament that you're talking about? Let's see. Deck buttons. Player deck. Here we go. And available units. Okay, so there's the different sizes here. Bar. Player deck. Go to scenes. And so that's the viewport. The viewport's kind of big, I guess. I think that shouldn't be that big. Okay. Might have to add make the viewport smaller. And also figure out why they're all so super thick. It has to be with the width. I'm doing good, just working. I mess around, saying around stuff. Okay, I got it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go to work pretty soon, but not so soon. Not so soon that I can't add the waifu into the game. I figured out how to import really cute anime app models into the game. Sounds good. See you in a sec. Okay. So the viewport, content. So there's something going on with that. And might also just be that, okay. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn this off. I'm gonna go to deck builder again. Canvas. Gonna go to the player deck, viewport, scene. I'm pretty sure I need to make the viewport smaller. Yeah, I think that's what I gotta do. Let me go to this tool. But the outer thing is kind of bigger. What is that outer view? Because this is the viewport, and then there's this other thing with the anchors. I can't even move that. What the heck? Do I have to like change the settings here? This is a canvas renderer. Dang, I think I have to like really... Can I hide this? Okay. Unity stuffs, man. Hey X-Men, Liz, how's it going? Welcome to the stream. I'm having viewport sizing issues. Let's see. See if we can get to the bottom of this one. Content. What is the content? Okay, the content doesn't exist yet because it uses a content size fitter. Got it. Viewport's here. Viewport's a little bit too big, but it's not letting me resize it. And this is the scroll. This is the viewport. No. Why is there a scroll rectangle on here? What type of elastic? I guess this was sent in with this rectangular scroller. Okay, yeah. Okay, that makes sense then. How do I move this thing? Can I resize? No? No? What if I move this one? Huh. I wonder why. I tried LeetCode, I'm freaking terrible. All the problems I got are problems I never had or thought about, although not having compiler auto-complete is so goddamn annoying. I'm gonna start solving some LeetCode problems regardless so I can get more nuanced problem solving skills set so I can code some things faster and more accurately in the future. Nice. Yeah, LeetCode is just weird in the beginning because those problems are probably never gonna be problems that you're gonna run into real life. Every now and then you do run into a LeetCode problem in real life and you're just like, wow. But most of the time, that is not what it's like to program. Literally 99% of the time, programming is not like LeetCode problems. But I mean, it's good to know LeetCode just because that's how you get a job. So a job is pretty cool. Oh, what the heck? It's changing the scroll bar. But it's auto expanding to the size of the scroll bar. So what I gotta do then is just make this whole thing smaller. Oh, that resizes everything. That's not what I want. I just want to resize the viewport. But it looks like I can't do that directly. So I might have to just make the background bigger. Maybe that's just the solution. Maybe I just make the background bigger. Let's just do login. Still learning experience. Who knows, having nuanced problems to solve problems also makes me learn some parts of the standard library I haven't used before and see other solutions really interesting. That's true. That's true. Those crazy one-liners. You do like learn new ways of solving stuff that you wouldn't have thought before, which is kind of cool. Oh shit. What happened here? Oh, okay. That was not the thing to play. Hold up. You're back, but not sure for how long? Dang it, dude. Well, if you're not sure, then how am I gonna know how much time I got with you? Let's see. I'm going to go here, and I'm gonna add the waifu. Okay, that's fine. I mean, they get a little thicker for some reason, which is hilarious. But it works. And let's add these guys. I added this character into the game, which is just basically Magic Girl. She's like super cute, which is her main power, really. So let me go ahead and save the deck, and then I have to log out real quick into the other character so I could play someone else. It's really hard to develop a multiplayer game because you have to pretend to play with you're playing with somebody else all the time. You basically gotta pretend you got... Oh, not Boop. His username's Boop. I got a little excited over there. Okay, let's just do this. Save it. Boom. Let's go back into other player. I messed up my thumb last Wednesday. Hasn't healed yet. Dang. Like, did you break something? Let's go join the game. Uh-oh. What happened here? We got an issue. We got a null reference exception. What happened? I see what happened. Okay. We have to add Mina into a spawn location so she has somewhere to go. Otherwise, she dies. And the game dies. And everybody dies. Let's go to this. Oh, not Undead Boar. We already got one. Let's do Mina. Then let's do Mina again. Okay. Let's try this again. I found someone who sold it in the exact same way as me. The only difference is I made a syntax error and blew up the program, but the thought and if statements were identical. Oh, solved it in the same exact way as me. Okay, yeah. The only difference is I made a syntax error and blew up the program. Well, that'll happen. I don't think it is broken, maybe badly bruised or a hairline fracture. Probably just a small fracture. Did you? It was like a... You didn't like twist it? Or did it just get smashed? Or did it get like bent? Thumb's weird. Usually you get those jams. I've jammed my thumb a bunch of times playing like basketball or something. Okay, let's try this again. Hopefully we got Mina. Uh-oh. Now what happened? In dot properties tile? Not sent to a reference instance over an object? You have a hair curve? I'm working my way towards that. The guy full on spiked the ball towards me and I didn't react fast enough and all the force of the ball went to my thumb, causing it to go back when it shouldn't. Ooh. Oh, okay. Ouch. That's right, you play volleyball. I feel like that happens to everybody in all the ball sports. At some point. Go to the doctor, get it checked out. They'll give you a new thumb. You'll be good to go. Wonder why this is not a thing. Oh, units undefined. For some reason? Object not sent to reference to an object? Unit.tile? Interesting. Oh, I see. I do see what went wrong. Okay. Do I have a class for Mina? I guess I could use a Dark Mage class for her. I could do that. I gotta go to the waifu folder. I gotta add her, give her a script. It's gonna be dark. It's gonna be mage. Oh, what? Wait a second. What is a dark mage using? Dark mage. Right. He's got a unit. Oh, he's just got a unit script. Okay. And a unit controller. And a mage unit controller. Okay. In that case, I gotta add some stuff. Okay. Mina. Let's give her a unit script. Let's give her unit effects. Or let's give her a mage unit controller. Do I want to give her a mage unit controller or just a brand new controller? Let's see. We'll think about it. And unit effects, I guess. Effects. Yeah, okay. Anything else I'm missing? Unit icon, unit stats? I don't know what unit stats are for. What the heck? What is that for? Unit stats. Oh, what the hell? That is a lot of stats. I think ChatGPT wrote that code. Okay, guys, I gotta play an ad real quick. I'll be right back. Who gets hit with the ad is the name of the game. If you get hit with the ad, then you lose a minute. If you don't lose anything. Who shall come out victorious? You guys see my strawberry milk? So, I don't know if the animator is going to work on her right away. I have to... You know what? It's not going to work because... Target? It ain't going to work because... I don't have an attack animation. Or get hit. Or trigger. But I don't think we actually necessarily need those. Let's just see what happens. Let's just see what happens. Is that ad over already? That was quick. Okay. Well, let me guys show you my sweet milk I got. Can you guys read that? Japanese. Gotta drink my milk. Oh man, what happened? Unit, still a unit reference error. Let's see what happened. Okay. Oh, I need a health bar on the canvas. Dang it. Okay, let's do that real quick. I should copy it from the other one, so I'm gonna go to... Let's go to the Dark Mage. And... that bad boy up. grab these two guys. Go back to Mina. And we're gonna just paste them in here. Oh, snaps. It's way up there. How'd that happen? Can we lower this? Yeah? Okay, cool. We should be in business now. Hell yeah. Why does the discard pile start on? That's an easy fix anyway. But my cards are a little bit broken also. She's hanging on the side, funnily. She's floating. Well, I can't believe the hat moves. Surprisingly, not bad. Okay. I'm gonna slowly get rid of the other characters, these guys, and put like anime dudes instead. I might keep the animals because animals are fun. Okay. But there's something wrong with the cards. Oh shit. Oh yeah, I was having this issue. Time to turn on the debugger. And also, let me go to the game screen and make sure that by default the discard pile is just deactivated. And let's go back to login screen. Also, what the heck, I'm getting a bunch of work messages. Okay, sorry, reading some work messages coming in. Looks like I don't, these aren't completely related to me. They're somewhat related to me, but definitely I'll look into it later on. Let's keep at it. Let's try to knock out this one bug at least. If we can. Let's get in there. This should trigger a debugger. Or not, or just crash, you know? It's all good. It's all the same, why not? This? Oh. This isn't gonna work because stuff not for not opponent, yeah, okay. It's not gonna find this because let me just do, I might just have to do discard pile dot init player. What am I doing here? On card discarded. Oh. I'm setting up the callbacks. Sets up the subscriber. Okay. And I need to do GameObject.find that it can find a inactive object. How can I find an inactive game object with find? Can I use the find command? Let's see. Let's just do it. Let's do it the easy way. Let's do the easy way out. And oh, I switched scenes. Okay. I'm gonna go to the spawn manager. The easy way out is just to add a serialized field over here. Serialized field, private game object, discard pile. And then that'll give me a new thingy here. I can drag the discard pile into there. So I don't... GameObject.find is an expensive operation anyway, so it's probably best I'm not using this. I just don't like using references because these like hard dragging references, because sometimes they get broken and then I gotta keep re-dragging the reference to the right spot. And that just annoys me. What's this? Hide serialized field? Yeah, just I expect that. Okay. And what's the issue here? Oh, I gotta do... you know what? Let's go up here and be a little more specific. I have a bad habit of just doing game objects while I'm coding in Unity. But you probably shouldn't ever be doing game object stuff directly unless... You know what? Yeah, you should probably never be doing game object stuff directly. I don't see any situation where... Oh wait, besides instantiating, I guess. Okay, that might be the only way. That might be the only reason why you wouldn't want to set a type as a game object directly, but... Or like declare it as a game object. Everything else should be the actual type. Sorry, where it came up, don't worry about it. Work busy today? Yeah. Well, I mean, you're talking about how your thumb died from this dude's smash spike. And then you're gonna get a new thumb from the doctors. Okay, looks good. Type mismatch. Okay, there we go. Looking good. Looking good. Alright, let's go back to the game. Let's save this. Let's run it. Yeah, robotic thumb. Hell yeah, dude. You can add a whole bunch of cool add-ons onto that. You can, like... The ladies will love it. Alright. Still no breakpoint here? Thought we had... There's something wrong. The positions aren't getting set. I did a giant refactor now that I remember. Okay, let's close all our windows here and then do set card position. This is the function in question that should be getting called. Refresh cards, draw cards. So on card discarded, refresh cards. Oh, that was the wrong one. This one. So hand animator, draw cards. We should be drawing cards and this should be getting set to stuff. So I have to make sure that this is all getting set correctly. Something's not getting set correctly over here. Go to set card position, card animator, and then this takes... This has a local variable called, which is the hand position index. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm getting every attachment. Oh yeah, robotic arm, robotic thumb with bolt action, no scope, extended mags. Translate card to position. Let's see. Something messed up here. Horizontal spacing. Huh. It looks all good to me. Let's see. I'm gonna restart. The count is 2. Oh, wait a second. I remember something weird coming up. There's a null in my hand. Why is that happening? I remember that being an issue last time. Okay, now I remember. Extended mags. Red dot sight. So random wooden sword first. Player 1. Hand is 2. Why does player 1 have stuff in his hand already? Only player deck class. Suppressor, yeah, that's smart. Yeah, you need a suppressor, you need a silencer. Bolt action. You need that one that like gets rid of the sparks in case you go too fast. You don't want to blow yourself up. You don't want to blow the lady up. Okay. Cards equal new. Does this make a new... This is the count. This is the count? Oh shit, wait, hold up. This is the total cards, okay. But the hand is something else. Hand does not exist in the current context. That doesn't seem right. It should exist. Hold up. Can I move up? Okay. These are funky frames. Let me just... Okay, here we go. So we got start, stand shape, players, and then draw 3 cards. Player that player deck, draw 3 cards. Sounds like plan. And then to the draw cards function. Player that player deck, break. Could you convert discard pile to deck? I don't know what that was for, but let's see. Where's our bug at? I'm looking for some error in my code right now. We're removing cards from the deck. That makes sense. We're getting the card, removing it, setting it active. Then we are going into the count. We're heading into the hands, right? This is what I don't get. Why is this not initial? Why does this not exist in the context? Is this a serialized field? Now that I think about it. Okay, hold up. I'm gonna turn this off, turn that off. Okay. I need to put my deck somewhere in the game. Like somewhere. Maybe like on the floor. Okay. Let me look at something. Player 1. The hand. That's probably what happens. Okay, I think I know what happened. Maybe. Let me go to the player. Not that. Let's go to player. I have this. That's what happened. That shouldn't be like that. I made a serialized field just so I can see the cards in the player's hand, but that's made things confusing. Okay. Player deck. Yeah, okay. So that should fix that. But I also... No worries. Thanks for lurking, by the way. Thanks for the lurkage. I'm trying to build up the... I'm trying to build up my morning streamage so I can stream in the morning more often. So I need a starting position for the cards. Okay, let's find that out. Let's write some code for the starting positions. Delete that. So create deck. Instantiate card. Cards.add. Okay. And which transform is this referencing the deck? Oh, I just gotta put the deck in the right spot on the board, on the field. I guess I had to do it programmatically because first I won't do it programmatically. Where is the player deck coming from actually? Player deck is okay, let's just go into the game since we're playing already. 1, 2, 3. Join. The reference script on behavior is missing. What the heck? I don't want to worry about that. Okay. I haven't seen my button though. Sheesh. Okay, there's some scuffage happening. Game manager, canvas, discard pile. Oh, dang it. I did the wrong thing. Okay. So my whole deck is like over here, but also I'm not sure why it's not fixing my quick hands I drew to the right spots. Oh, it looks like I drew everything. Cards in hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I move the player deck to the player object. Also, I have a hand, but it's on my player? Yeah. So where are these cards? Let me see something. Oh man, they're like way out there? Simple act. They're over there in that weird position. Position. These, the rest are at position 0. So they're not getting animated correctly. I wonder. I wonder. You have to wonder. Why that's happening. Okay, let's turn this off. Let's fix a few things real quick. Let's go into the game scene again. We got the canvas. This should be on. That's a button, I think. The panel should be closed. That should be closed. And I think I actually want the button also to be... I want that to be more of a square. So I'm going to go to the text. And I'm going to like just put a space. I mean an end. A carriage return. And I'm going to like do this thing. Whoops. I guess I should be moving the outer button. Something like that. Let me make it a little bit like this. There we go. I like that better. I don't want a very long button because it's hard in mobile. Press long buttons. Okay. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to player object. I'm going to go to player object. I'm going to go open it up. Well, not that one. This one. We are going to get rid of this deck builder script. Well, we're going to place it in the component in the player instead. So let's copy it. Let's remove it. Let's give it to the player. Let's do a base component as new. Looks good. And then we got to put some breakpoints. So what we're going to do is so we're adding the cards, but the Animator is not refreshing them cards correctly, so I have to see when it says the card position on all the cards. I have to see what went wrong. So I'm gonna put a breakpoint right there, and then that should be good. Let's go back to the login screen. Save. Let's go with play. All right. Well, that's doing the stuff. I'm playing that real quick. Give me a sec. I'll be back. I'm also gonna get water and stuff. Give me a sec. All right, we're back. Should be back in action. Get in here. No reference. Okay. Instantiate player prefab. Okay, let's see where the null reference actually is. Player deck is a null reference. So I should be setting it somewhere. On awake, get component, player deck. That's not right. It's gotta be player dot get component. Player deck. And that should be what that is. The hand animator shouldn't really be dealing with the player deck, but whatever. That's fine. Now we gotta restart. Babo. Move this up a little bit. There we go. And another reference. Null reference. Another one? How is this a null reference? Ain't no way. Oh, I gotta get that one first. Got it. Okay, let's try again. Bob. Yamp. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Another retinal reference. Another one. Can you believe it? For unit and player dot units. Player equals transform dot parent dot get component. No. Okay, I see. Okay, hold up. Let's just make player class sealed. Why do I want to seal in it? Okay. Nope. I think we're just doing this. And then this, get component in children. That's going to be like that. Player deck has some virtual members but no inheritors. Which one? Public void. On card discarded, but no inheritors. So I could just do Yeah, that's not supposed to be virtual, I guess. That could just be like that. On card discarded. Yeah, I guess that's fine. And then what needs to actually be public is event handler. This public event. I'm still trying to understand how like subscriptions work in C#. Okay, hold ups. Bob, bob, bob. Bob, bob, bob. 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay. Let's try this. It's going to here. Boom. Any issues? Okay, so we actually hit the breakpoint now, which is good. Let's look at hand position and translate card to position. That is something I'm also gotta make sure that this is all good. Let's go to the next one. I'm gonna remove that breakpoint. And position index. Okay. That looks like an issue. They're all 0. It's all 0. It's all 0. That is exactly the issue. And there was too many. So that means is the set card position is being called on the wrong thing. Yeah. Ah, shit, I'm a dummy. Okay. This is supposed to be player dot hand dot for each. Got it. Oh my gosh, how did I spend so much time on that? Get in there. Hope this works and then I can go to work. So bam. Okay, let's turn this off for now. Okay, cool. We are in business. Looks like. And hell yeah. Okay, cool. Can move. Let me turn this off. This should have gone to my discard pile. Did, but I still have it in my hand. Interesting. Few state bugs, and what I need to see next is player 1. So where are those cards in the deck? They're over there. Okay. I can see how that could be fine. The coordinates are for those are just 0, 0, 0. That makes sense. fix that, I can do something funky with stuff. But I think I'm gonna call it for today. Go ahead and rate somebody real quick. Pretty decent progress. We knocked out a few bugs there and refactored a little bit. Coding a bot, right? PlayStation 1 graphics, hell yeah, let's do this.
This emote is super cute. Could use a little update in Photoshop though. Magic wand, select the eyes, fill with color, same with the tongue and
Let's
stars.
raid
And the face.
Mikuemi.
Style. Gradient overlay. Fade to white. Add some shadows and bevel. Give it some more depth. Merge layers, bevel, emboss. Sweet. Adobe rocks. Try it out, y'all.
All right. Thank you guys for coming to the stream. I'll see you guys later. This is the Simul Shift. Cheers, my friends.